Still look good.
Woo! Check him out, fam. He looks good. Just started uphill. He's working on his uphill passes. And hey, he's coming on out. But that looks good, man. He's just getting started. Bro over here, he just getting started now. He's going a little rough and he's about to get it. He just started today, like maybe what, about an hour ago, 30 minutes ago. He just started uphill, so give him a moment, but he about to get it, fam. Woo. He dropping them like a surgeon. See, he getting them, fam. See, he working on his tie-ins. One bad, I see it right there. He getting it, taking his time. Right now, we're working on getting ready to get prepared for a test, so we're gonna be stacking beads. So we stacking them going up. That's good, fam. Everybody's stacking right now. They're working on tie-ins and coming all the way out. Getting it in, working on tie-ins and going uphill until they master the tie-in technique using all the small rods. So when you burn a lot of them down, you know, it's good to fall back and get them down to the numbers, fam. Get them down to the numbers. Bro, going to grind some more so he can keep it going. This is our AM class from 8 to noon. From 8 to noon, and then our PM class is from 1 to 5. And we are in Little Rock, Arkansas. Our address is 7400 Scott Hamilton Drive. We're in Southwest Little Rock. This is the G-Tech Welding Academy, 16-week program. We teach stick welding, flux core welding / MIG welding, and the introduction to TIG, cutting torch, plasma torch, weld symbols, blueprint reading, and you get your OSHA 10 all in 16 weeks. $100 deposit, $37.75. Only $37.75. 16 weeks, family, is a no-brainer. Thanks for checking in. Glad we support you. They are using 3 30-second rods, and he is killing it right now. Yeah, my guy getting it, fam. You know, this program is great for second chances. So if you're getting out of jail, out of prison, if you're getting out of addiction, if you're just trying to turn over a new leaf, family, this program is for you. You can actually get approved to go through the Goodwill Academy. You can work through the warehouse and get an opportunity. The workforce, WIOLA here in Little Rock, also got opportunities to help you get into the program. So if you're going between jobs and you're trying to figure out a new career, go talk to the workforce. Let them know you want to think about signing up for the welding program, and they'll help you get signed up. Also, we got the wage office inside of the Goodwill outlet in Little Rock. You can come in the wage office and you can take the test. And you can also get a free scholarship for those who are struggling with finances. There are many ways to get into the program. Yes, he's practicing. He's practicing uphill right now. 70-18 all the way up. It doesn't matter if you don't math that good, fam. It doesn't matter. We're going to teach you the basics. And as you go, and family, as you learn, you know, you push yourself to learn more, to grow more. So don't ever cut yourself off and think that, you know, you got it all figured out. Just keep that in mind. Let's check bro out real quick. It sounds good, fam. But if you're keeping it tight, just don't stay there too long. You don't want to go too fast, but you most definitely don't want to stay there too long. got a better tie-in, fam. Let's see what he got going on over here. Woo! He getting it, fam. He's working on uphill. He's working on tying in. We're using the smaller rods, and we tying in. Everything is a tie-in. That way you can get better on it. The more you tie in, the better you gonna get.
I'm catching that gap. I'm catching that like that downhill part when you end it, like when you finish it.
Yeah.
Off. And then one little piece that you told me to like lay up in there.
Lay up in there, and you see it make it a lot easier, don't it?
A lot easier when I whip it right there.
With it right, and it makes it, and then it also give you a place to sit it at.
Yeah, that's exactly what I'm doing. Sit it right there.
He getting it, fam. It doesn't matter who welds are better. This is the classroom setting, so they're learning. So this is not the environment to step on nobody or to boast and say who is better than who. It's like a 5-year-old saying I'm better than the newborn because I can walk already. I don't think this is not the environment for that. So I would always say when you're learning, family, it's not about that you learning, it's a skill set. Once you get it, you can do whatever with it. But getting started, fam, it's all about learning the process. So please don't come into the setting stepping on nobody. Like we teach in this program is from 18-year-old to however old you are. The oldest up to this time I done had from 18 to 60 inside of the program. So anyone that's in it, to me, you a child once you come into the program, and I got to teach you because you don't know anything. So I want to make sure you get it. And everybody in here has never did this before, so we can't step on nobody. Our goal is to encourage them to keep the trade on and to show them where they're going wrong at so they can correct it and keep it up, fam. We trying to get people better, fam. Not step on anybody, not to make ourselves look good. And if you got to step on somebody to make yourself look good, I think you need to look in the mirror. You probably need some counseling, need to talk to somebody on a personal note. Like literally, I think you need to go talk to somebody because you got some issues going on. If you got to step on somebody else to make yourself feel good. Boy, they just dropping, man. Woo! Man, you got the travel speed of 10. That was real good. That was real good. Yeah, you can go back down. Now reset here. You see how this was filled out? So reset here and then bring it to here. And then once it's filled up, you see, bam, I go from here to here, filled up, then bam, come back here. Let's go across. Yeah, I'm gonna let y'all see what bro doing, man. It started off rough for him, fam, and he's dropping better B. Look at that. Look at that, fam. Thanks for the share. Thanks for the support. Check him out. Never did this before, fam, and he's getting it. Right now, we got him, like I said, we tying in B's, and our goal is to lap them and keep them close. You see how he got a little gap here? So we're going to have to run a couple in the middle right here to fill this up, and then we're going to come back and reset over here and work our way across. That's the goal. Yes, we're using this...
Whichever way you want to stay.
It don't have like a lift to it, but it do have a strike. But it is pretty good though. It is pretty good though. It's a pretty good machine. Thanks for the support. Thanks for that tip. You get certified, fam. You get the option to be certified in stick welding uphill and overhead, and the option to get certified in flux core welding, uphill and overhead, 3/8 or a 1-inch coupon. Each one teach some, fam.
Stay on the phone. Tighten up. You out too far. Tighten up. Don't be moving. Tighten up.
You see, fam, I got my guy, got him good now. He over here, he just started about 30 minutes ago going uphill, about maybe 45 minutes ago, close to an hour. He over here, give him a little guidance. See how he touched his hand and say, hey, hold up, you got this, fam. Love that, love that. That was a good tip you were giving. Just, hey, keep it tight, fam. You had to put, hey, sometimes you got to give him. He steady going, he said, nah, you get it in there. Sometimes you got to grab his hand and say, hold up, man, get it up in there, man.
Yeah. That's how you want to be the whole time. So you get nervous up here because you changing your area.
Yep.
You gotta do this.
Yep, everybody's doing vertical right now. I got everybody on vertical. He's just running vertical beads. He's just getting started on beads. I actually got him, he running beads in a groove position for Phillips, but learning how to do start and stops and also stack the beads. I like to just run it straight. Now, you can do a little motion if you want to going uphill, but I like to keep it real straight and just like the time I travel. But I got a steady hand for those who got steady hands. If you got to do a little slight movement, there's nothing wrong with that. If you got to do a slight movement, there's nothing wrong with it. No, we're in Little Rock, Arkansas, but I planned on visiting Houston. Why everybody saying Houston? I can't wait to go see Houston, fam. It's on my list. You don't need a GED or a high school diploma to enter in our program. Just $100 deposit and $37.75, right under $4,000. Little Rock, Arkansas. We're in Little Rock, Arkansas, off of Scott Hamilton Drive, Southwest Little Rock, right beside the job court. Oh, a little bit better. Right here. Okay, so see how you just went over a little bit here?
Yeah. So I need to
No, right, just right here. So get your soapstone. You see how you even here? You want to stop there. So come up here and pull out there. And then once you do that, then you can regroup and start off straight here and come right back over again. My guy really getting it. Nigga, he got it tight, fam. Check him out. He tight. You hear that sizzle? He literally dragging it uphill. He got his puddle right behind him. Woo! That's a good burn. Okay, that's a good one. That's laughing on that corner. All right, so let me grab my gloves and I'll come back so we can flip that around. Let me go grab something real quick, fam. He said some cushion. Hell yeah. I don't know if I got it too. I need some cushion. What else going? Yep, that's a good one. So I just start right over here because this part of stuff. Let's keep going.
Getting stuck on.
You already know. That's something going on. I got Get a question all day. People do. Now he's just working on time. They on the edge. How do you stop? The next well is the previous well. So always remember when you walk there, the goal is to kind of next well to the toe. And just keep that process going because that's how you actually start stacking these. And that's the process you go around there. Sitting at the booth. So then we go on the booth, when we check in, I appreciate those who are checking in. Everybody's doing well, just how to say it. Y'all only got to show them before and after because it's like a crime scene. He's not a, we just run the man back to life over here. Somebody. He got something going, fam. He's doing good though. I'm proud of him. Yeah, that's it. That's it. Keep that up, man. And like my guy say, listen for the scissors. Listen for the scissors. If you got that scissor, fam, yeah, you get it. If you got that scissor, that means I don't know. And you hear the click? I'm in Little Rock, Arkansas, 16 weeks now. A lot of opportunities around this area. We're like Goodwill, Cheesecake, Welding, and Capacity, y'all. Scott Hamilton Drive. That's what Scott Hamilton Drive. You need to come down. We got parking, parents, come here, put in work, and keep up your job. Minimum wage in this area is $70. You also have to get a job working for warehouse and these there's a position open, they keep positions open in the warehouse. So we know we can help you find a place. If not, we listen to point you in the right direction. If you're coming to the area looking for part-time work while you go to school. A lot of affordable places, we don't have power, but we do have sheets that will show you what the plan is. You know, about to be ready to sum it up here in a minute. We're going to burn a couple more rods. Our day is about to be over. We started the AM class from 8 to noon. So from 8 to noon, and then the PM starts from 1 to 5. So if you're working in the PM, you go to AM class. If you're working in the AM, you go to the PM class. But there's great opportunities for those who want to do it. It's always $175. Let me say that right here. Over $4,000. Google Welding class. And these 15 weeks, you're going to run a 6-4 and meetings in the intro to Blueprint Welding Welding class. And you get your own school. I don't know where you can go and get that. And I'm not even gonna lie to you. I think it's worth moving in to the area just to gain the benefit of the place. Especially when you got to run something like this, we ain't really got to come down here while we're about to go take medicine class, man. And like I say, I'm gonna give you an entrepreneur approach. I'm gonna show you how to look, how to think outside the box. I'm gonna ask you questions for you so you do, you know, all of this stuff. Salute, it's it. Keep it up, keep it up. Woo, got a little hot, baby.
What up with the fam? Thanks for checking in. Hey, yeah, practice make perfect, fam. The more you practice, the better you get. Hey, sign up then. You gonna come join the class, come sign up, man. You know where we at. If you cool with us, come down here and fool with us. We're about to be out, fam. Y'all be blessed. Continue to prosper. Hold on.